Is your inverter battery failing to charge? This video covers the essential safety checks and troubleshooting steps you need to identify the problem. First, let's understand how the system should work. Power comes from your wall socket, is converted from AC to DC by the inverter, and then stored in the battery. Our troubleshooting path is simple. We start by checking external components like power and connections before looking at the battery's health itself. Step 1. Is the inverter getting power? Check your mains indicator light, the wall socket, and your home's main breaker box. Step 2. Are your connections clean? Inspect for corrosion or loose screws. Remember, never short the two battery terminals together. Step 3 applies to flooded lead-acid batteries. Ensure the water is at a safe level using distilled water. Never attempt to open sealed AGM or VRLA batteries. Step 4. Measure the resting voltage with a digital multimeter. While a good voltage reading is helpful, remember, it doesn't always guarantee a healthy battery. Step 5. Observe the voltage while the unit is charging. If the voltage stays flat instead of rising, it could indicate a failed charger circuit. Step 6 involves checking the charging current. A normal flow confirms the charger is working, while no current or excessively high current indicates a deeper problem. Step 7. Could the battery be too old? Sulfation can destroy internal capacity, causing a battery to appear charged while holding no real energy. Step 8. Verify your inverter settings, match your battery type, and inspect for blown internal fuses. Never bypass a fuse with a wire. Take note of these red flags. Burning smells, leaking, or bulging casings are dangerous signs. Stop using the system and disconnect it immediately. Follow this quick troubleshooting flow to narrow down the issue, from checking the mains power to evaluating the battery's condition. Here is a summary of common problems, their likely causes, and the suggested actions you can take to address them. Finally, prioritize safety by not opening the inverter enclosure. Follow the golden rule. Check your external connections before deciding to replace your battery.